Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to lecture series of New Candy Mathematics 1 or D1 updated edition. Dear students, today we will review chapter number 2 rate, ratio and percentages so that you can attempt your objective portion of the paper. डियर स्टूडेंट्स D1 के सोल्यूशन के लिए आपको सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट्स मेरे चैनल पर मिल जाएंगी. इसके अलावा ऑब्जेक्टिव वर्कशीट्स और सोल्यूशन नोट्स के लिए आप मेरा फेसबुक पेज विजिट कर सकते हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट विद. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट रेशियो कॉन्सेप्ट. सो हम रेशियो कॉन्सेप्ट को रिव्यू करते हैं. रेशियो इज द कंपैरिजन ऑफ टू और मोर क्वांटिटीज ऑफ सेम काइंड एंड यूनिट. डैश हैज नो यूनिट, you know it, ratio. A ratio A ratio B is said to be in its simplest form when A and B are integers with no common factors. It's mean its simplest form na, when we don't have the common factor, when we can't simplify it further. Ratio can be expressed as. What's the other way of expressing ratio? Yes, fraction. We can express ratio as fraction, and fraction can be expressed as ratio, obviously. 3:5. So I can write in another way 3/5 mean in fraction. Simplest form of 12 and 16. Now 12 and 16, I can do it like 2 6 times, 2 8 times. Again, I have a common factor 2 3 times, 2 4 times. So now I don't have a common factor, so it's a simplest form. Dash of ratio is important. Order. Equivalent ratio can be obtained by dash and dash by the same number. How can we obtain an equivalent ratio? By multiplying. We can multiply and divide dividing by the same number. 1:2, 3:6, 4:8, 5:10 these are the equivalent ratios. Okay, now we have to write the equivalent ratio of 5:7. So I can write like how we can obtain it by multiplying or dividing by the same number. So I can multiply or divide it like 5:7. So I can multiply it by 2. So it will be 10 and 14. So this is my equivalent ratio because I have multiplied it with the same number by 2. Dash is comparison of two or more quantities of different. Now next is dash is comparison of two or more quantities of different. When we have different quantities, then it's a rate. Different kind. Dash means for each or one per. Okay, now we have some of the conversion. 1 kg. Dear students, do you know 1 kg equals to 1000 gram? Very right. Then we have 1 liter equal to milliliter. Yes, very right. The next is 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. The next is also very easy. 1 hour and 1 minute like 1 hour has 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 second, and again 1 hour equal to, we have 60, 1 hour equal to, if we talk about seconds, then it's 3600 min. 1 year equal to 12 months. Okay, the next is, now these are from percentages, because in our chapter number 2 there are 3 concepts: rate, ratio and percentages. The word dash originated from the Latin phrase percentum, which means per 100 or out of every 100. Now think about that word. Yes, percent. 100% is 100 by 100 mean 1. 100% is equal to 1, because 100%. Now percent mean out of 100. So it's mean it's 1. 100 by 100 means 1. To express percentage as a fraction, we have to, when we have a percentage and we have to write it in fraction, then what we will do? We will divide by 100. To express fraction as a percentage, we multiply. When we have to convert it into a percentage, then we multiply by 100%. 9 by 8% is dash from 8 by 9%. Different. It's different. It's not same. To express decimal as a percentage, we multiply it by 100. Whenever you have to convert, you have to express in a percentage, you have to multiply. New value. How can you find a new value? If you have final percentage and original value, you can find the new value. Then percentage increase into original value. It's mean when you have to find increase, then you can multiply percentage increase and original value. And when you have to find the decrease, you can multiply percentage decrease into original value. Okay, we use percent to represent this sign. The symbol is used for percentage. To express one quantity as a percentage of another quantity, make sure that both quantities are expressed in same unit. We have done these questions in which we have expressed first quantity as a percentage of another quantity, but first we have converted into same unit. We have a figure and unshaded area region are represented. In this figure, unshaded region is represented. How much percent of the total? And dash and the percentage of shaded area of the total is. Like we have to tell in percentage that what percent is shaded and what percent is unshaded. You can see the less percent is unshaded and the more percent is shaded. So the total is 100% and it's divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 25, 25, 25, 25 and 3 are shaded and the total and only 1 is unshaded. So it's mean 25% is the unshaded and 75% is shaded one. So dear students, we have done some of the fill in the blanks from the chapter number 2, rate, ratio and percentages, so that you can attempt your objective portion of the paper. This objective worksheet is available on Facebook page, so don't forget to like and share the video.